Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Excuse the background because I am remodeling, and I'll give you some tips what to use if you're gonna remodel your bathroom, and you can do it yourself. You can save a lot of money. I am a stay-at-home mom, so this is a way to do things which my boyfriend did half of the restroom, well, the whole restroom, and I'm just gonna put some texture on the walls and then paint it all white and have it ready for probably the weekend, so that way we can put tile. And all this is, we're not paying anyone to do it, it's just ourselves, and you save a lot of money, so stay tuned. So this is what I'm going to use, the sheetrock, the all-purpose, and I'm going to use this tool. This is how it looks like.
Paint.
So this is what I'm going to use for the walls, and then see how it looks. Oh, and I was gonna show y'all this, what I got Home Depot, since they always have probably every year they have vanity combos. Instead of like buying the mirror or the vanity top, or the only the vanity, which is expensive, but this is a combo. I did get this one. Is like grayish and white. It's a white marble on top, and then it's just grayish, and then the mirror. It was like $200, but I waited till the last minute because they actually tells you when are they gonna take it out, like the end of the sale. So I waited till the last minute, and it came out to be $99 instead of like paying $200, because usually only the vanity costs like $300 or $500 depending on what kind of style do you want. And you can get a mirror from Ross or anywhere and just, use it. But this is a combo. It matches with the vanity, so it came with everything. And yeah, it was $100. I wanted to stay in the hundreds because I didn't want to pay $300 to $400 or $500 for a sink for the restroom. So this was good. They had others that were like $200, and there was one brown, a small one, 24-inch, for like I think $80. I'm not sure, but this is what I got for the restroom, and I'm excited to install it.